Recharging and setting up your EVO rechargeable true wireless headset system. Use the USB power adapter and dual USB-C cable to charge your system. Using a laptop or computer to charge your EVO might take longer depending on your laptop's output current capabilities. Using a power outlet will ensure a faster charging time compared to using a computer. While the headset is on and the battery is getting low, the blue LED will start flashing quickly, then finally goes out when the battery gets too low, and the headset will turn off. When the headset is turned off and connected to the charger, the LED will turn red and stay on until the headset is fully charged, at which point the LED will turn off. When the headset is turned on and connected to the charger, the LED will turn purple or pink. The mic should be turned off before putting on the charger to ensure the most efficient charging. To turn the headset on, press and hold the power button about 3 seconds and the LED will come on. The LED will be blue and stay on solid. While the headset is on, pressing the power switch once quickly will mute the mic and the blue LED will slowly flash. Pressing the power button quickly again will unmute the mic and the LED will go back to solid blue again. Press the CH button to change or select a channel. You can select from A, B, C,
D,
E, F, 1, 2, 3, and all the way up to 9. If no buttons are pushed, the display will go off. To turn the headset off, press the power button for about 5 seconds and the LED will then turn off. When the receiver is charging, the battery symbol will be showing the battery bars on and off as it is being charged. Once it is fully charged, the receiver's battery symbol will show a full battery charge. You can use the receiver while it is being charged, but keep in mind that if power is lost, you will need to press the power button again on the receiver. If you do not know if your input is mic or line level, start with the mic level output. If you are unable to get acceptable level or volume, move to the line level output. The frequency on the receiver is located next to the charging port at the bottom of the unit. The frequency of your headset is located on a silver sticker on the back of the unit. Setting up your EVO receiver. To turn it on, press the power button. The unit will come on and it will show what frequency is set at, which is 481.9 MHz on this one, and also the battery gauge. Right there. To change the volume, you just press the up or down button, and it'll say you 12, 13, 14, and 15, and all the way down to 0. In other words, from 0 up to 15. To change the channel that is on, press and hold the up or down button until it says C, H, A for channel. And then you can go up and down and set whatever channel you would like from A, B, C, D, E, F, 1, 2, and all the way up to 9. Once you have that set, then you can go to your headset and set its channel to match, and then you would be good to go. Once you have selected the channel matching the receiver, the connection signal will be displayed. After a few seconds, the display on the receiver will turn off. If the display goes off, to turn it on, simply push any button and the receiver's display will turn on and show its current frequency selection. Once you put on your headset, position the microphone around the front to the side, or at the corner of the mouth. The strap on your headset can be adjusted for a better fit. When you have set up your headset and receiver, turn up the volume on the sound system channel to the level needed. To turn the receiver off, just press and hold the button until it says off and it turns off. When an empty battery symbol starts flashing, the receiver needs to be recharged.